welcome to another video. Today we'll be unboxing another vacuum cleaner. This one's a very rare pneumatic and I'm extremely excited. The last time I was this excited I couldn't speak to unbox a vacuum was when I unboxed my Cream Henry about 5 years ago. So you can understand why I'm excited now. Cream Henry. Don't worry, it ain't another Cream Henry. But it is something that is cream and brown. So let's try and dig into this very well wrapped box. Now it isn't a Henry Extra that the seller of this posted it in. Now I'll give you a story about this. I saw this on Facebook Marketplace for 15 quid and I've got this for £15. Plus courier which I had to arrange. When I contacted the person to ask if it was still available and if they were closed, they said it was sold. And then I said, oh okay, no worries. And then they said, oh, do you want this for the model or just because it's a cheap food? And I said, oh, the model, I'm a vacuum cleaner, etc, etc, etc. And the person contacted the original buyer of this and they said, someone else is interested, this is a collector, blah blah blah, will you let this go? And they said yes. So I managed to get this for way under, if I can get the thing off the box, £25. So just whack that over there. Now he has packed it because he did send photos of it, and in the photo it's just the hose on the machine. But he sent me a photo with all of it packed up in a box, and I was like, it's got all the original bits with it. So I don't know if it's got small tools, but I know it's got the floor tool, etc, etc. Now here we go. So this is the floor tool. That is a very rare floor tool. You don't see these nowadays on pneumatic. It is scratched up, but that is in. Alright Nick, that will clean up lovely. Now what we've got next? Here we have the squeegee hard floor tool. Now the rubber's all perished on it, but I can replace those. I've got spare squeegees and stuff which I can replace those with. We've got a probably a genuine hard floor tool, but it's not cream. What else have we got? We've got a normal floor tool, but this is proper just like some cheap replacement thing, which I'm not interested in. Here we have a black, well, two black ones, which aren't original. We have the proper original brown wand. I think the guy's just chucked in a load of spares for me. We have another wand, which is the original. And we have the brown bent end. Oh my god, it's got the small tools as well. We've got an Electrolux butterfly tool, which is not original. We have the original slide-on upholstery tool with the slide-on upholstery tool thing. It'll come off, there we go. So we've got that. And then there is a crevice tool in there as well, which I think is just off Electrolux. So we've got that as well. And it is in not very good shape, not as the best shape as the one I've seen. I remember I've overseen the one I've used. So here it is, and oh my god, that is very, very used. It's got all paint in there. This is in not as good condition as it looks, but oh well. So here is the main machine. Yes, and there is a horrible spider in the box. So I'm just going to chuck all these non-original attachments in here. Probably give away the Henry. So here it is. Oh my god, I am so happy to have this, and it's got the cold hook in brown as well. Oh my god, I am so happy to have this. Jesus Christ, look, so it's got all the original stickers around the back. It needs cleaning out, mind you, it is filthy. There's a switch, on-off switch. We've got the name on the front, Charles. It's missing the smile, but I don't care. I mean, the name's coming off, but I can glue that back on. take it apart quick. So it's got the original ball float in there, the little ball in the cage, in the integrated cage. We've got the filter in here that needs cleaning off, and missing the bag connector, but I've got one of those, but it's not in brown. And we've got loads of crap in there. So it looks to me this used to be a builder's vac by the looks of it, but oh well, what can we do? So let me just put this seal back on here. So it is a cvc375 from sometime in the 80s. But yeah, I mean, I'm so happy to have this. Let me just, what wand is it? That one's the back one. Just grab this wand and use it. There we go. I'll just keep that one with it for now. I'm just trying to get this thing back on here. I mean, this filter ain't that thick at all, so filtration on this is probably rubbish, and it's probably going to blow out a whole load of crap at the back of it, but you know, oh well. Yeah, we'll just we'll hoover all this out quickly. Let me just go and get a vacuum, which I have sitting here. I'll just use my Bertie for now. We'll just use the brown hose off this. So just plug Bertie in, and we'll screw this brown hose on. Like so. The top 8 split like the other one. So there's this cup at the top. Go get a close on. Come over here. So what I'm quickly going to do is I'm going to clean all this out. I'm going to refit this filter properly, and then we'll come back and we'll test it. So here I have Charles. He's had a little bit of a clean. He's still very, very dirty. But I mean, I'm so happy to have this. I've been wanting one quite a long time. He's covered in paint, but this is the second one I know of. I've never seen another for sale. So here's the ball float. It's had a little bit of a clean under there. But I'll take this down the shed and give it a proper clean. So I'll probably take it to my nan's tonight. A little bucket filter. And then the tub, which is quite dirty. So let's test it out. See what it does. See how much dust it will blow out the back. Here's the tools that I've got. So we've got the brown one, well, 2 brown ones. I've got a black one, which I'll just put with it for now because it's the best it will get. It's 80s at least, so it's the right era. We've got the hose, which is got loads of paint in it, which I'll probably scrape out. But the end ain't split like my other cream hose or brown hose. It needs cleaning as well. Like this needs proper good restoration. It's got the original wheeled floor tool with the little tiny useless brush at the back. But 2 intact link pickers on that. So I'll just build the wand up now, actually. So we've got wand. We've got the squeegee tool, which is kind of pretty much knackered really. All the rubbers are gone brittle, but I can probably replace those with pattern part rubbers out of there. Just get a pattern part wet tool and nick the rubbers out of it. And then we've got the brush, which is just a brush really. I've got one of these already. I know someone's got a couple of brand new ones of these, so you might get one. But yeah, let's just screw the hose on and we'll test Mr. Charles out. Now I want to try and re-glue this part of the S on because I don't really want to lose that. I've got some glue in my pencil case, I'll do that in a minute once we've tested it out. But the switch is on. Excuse me, let's go and get this. Sorry about that disturbance. So we'll go and plug this in now and we'll see how he sounds. I don't expect nothing major, it probably sounds really rough. But oh well, we'll plug him in, see how much dust he blows out. So ready? Yeah, he needs cleaning out. So I'm probably going to take him down the shed now and, well, I've got a shed, haven't I? You lot haven't seen that yet, but I'll probably upload that after this video goes up in a few weeks. But yeah, so here it is. I'm well happy. All the hooks present, the wands here, floor tools here, which is a bit weird really. I've not really seen one of these before, but yeah, I suppose I don't think these were very good floor tools actually, but you know, I'm going to take this down the shed now, give it a clean out, probably clean most of the paint off the top of it, and it'll get a proper refurb of course. I'll probably do that at the weekend. But yeah, there we go. There is my new cream and brown Charles. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and of course, bye for now.